Okay, last and final, that is convert the angles radian to degree. Radian to degree. That means the angles is in radian. How to identify the angles are in radian? If you have the symbol pi, okay, automatically the angle in radians. That is the identification with angle in radians. Okay, so already you know pi radians equal to how many degrees? 180 degrees. Already I explained it in our previous video. What is that? Pi radians equal to 180 degrees, or 180 degrees equal to 5 radians. Pi radians equal to 180 degrees, or 180 degrees equal to pi radians. So very simple conversion. Okay, now the angle in radians, pi radians by 2. So instead of pi, I have to substitute 180 degrees. Simple method, by 2. So 180 by 2 equal to 90 degrees. So that means 90 degrees equal to pi radian by 2. Okay, 5 pi by 4. 5 into pi radians. Pi radians equal to how many degrees? 180 degrees. How to get? I explained in our previous video. Okay, so pi radians equal to 180 degrees by 4. Cut them. 4 4s are 16. Okay, so remaining 2, 20 is there. So 45 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 2 is there. 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 25 degrees. So this is the conversion of radians to degrees. Okay, already explained how to convert degrees to radian in our previous video. Okay, so next one, 4 pi by 3. So 4 pi radians by 3. So 4 pi radians. Pi radians equal to how many degrees? Simply you substitute pi radians equal to 180 degrees. That means instead of pi radians, you have to substitute 180 degrees and you get angle in degrees. Okay, 3 1s are 360s. Okay, 6 4s are 24. That means 240 degrees. Okay, so this is the conversion. Pi radians, they are in degrees. Now 4 pi by 6. That means 4 pi radians by 6. So 11 into pi radians equal to 180 degrees by 6. The 6 1s are 6 3s are, that means 30. So totally, okay, 0, 11 3s are 30. So 330 degrees. This is the conversion of radian to degree. Next one, 3 into pi radians. Pi radians equal to 180 degrees by 2. Okay, so 2 1s are 290. Totally 270 degrees. 390 is 270 degrees. And last and final, 2 into pi, that means 180 by 3. 3 1s are 360. Okay, 260s are 120 degrees. 260s are 120 degrees. So this is the conversion of radians to degrees. Okay, already we explained what are the degrees to grades. Grades to degrees. Next one, degrees to radians. Last one, this one, radians to degrees. Okay, once again, I recall each and everything. Okay. Okay, I recall one by one. This is the conversion of degrees in terms of grades. Okay, so already you know 90 degrees equal to how many grades? 100 grades. 90 degrees. That means a right angle can be divided into 90 parts, degrees. 100 parts, that is grade. That means 90 degrees is equal to, that means right angle equal to 100 grades. Okay, now we have to find out 1 degree. So 90 degrees can be expressed as 1 degree into 90. 1 degree into 90 means 90 degrees. Okay, here 90 is multiplication of transposition division. Okay, 0 0 cancel, that equal to 10 by 9 grades. 10 by 9 grades. Okay, So 1 degree equal to 10 by 9 grades. So 30 degrees equal to 1 degree equal to 10 by 9 grades. 30 degrees equal to 30 into 10 by 9 grades. They are in grades. Okay. So 3 10 ja, 3 3 ja. So that means 100 by 3 grades. Degrees converting into grades. Now 60 degrees. 60 degrees. That means 60. 1 degree equal to 10 by 9 grades. 60 degrees equal 60 into 10 by 9 grades. That equal to okay, they are divisible by 3 3 is 320. So that means 200 by 3 grades. And 45 degrees. So 45 degrees equal to 1 degree equal to 10 by 9 grades. 45 degrees equal to 45 into 10 by 9 grades. That equal to 4 9 1 ja 9 5 ja. That equal to 50 grades. 50 grades. This is the conversion of degrees to grades. Degrees to grades.